Hi, it's Toronto immigration lawyer Max Chaudhary, and I want to have a brief discussion about a common question that we have, which is pertaining to people inside of Canada with a visitor visa. Such people often ask the question, can I apply for a work permit in Canada since I have a visitor visa? The general rule for the vast majority of people is that they must apply for a work permit before entering Canada. So that could include, if you are fortunate, some people who can apply for a work permit at a Canadian port of entry, for example, the Canadian border. Candidates who can apply for a work permit outside of Canada at a Canadian port of entry include those people who do not normally need a visitor visa application successful before entering Canada. Those are also known as visitor visa exempt candidates. In some specific instances, people who are inside of Canada can apply for a work permit if that job they are seeking does not need a medical as a precondition for their would-be Canadian employment. The other more common scenarios in which a person can apply for a work permit while they are in Canada include those individuals who already possess a work permit. Similarly, people who possess a study permit already can apply for a work permit in Canada. And similarly, people who hold a very specific type of document known as a temporary resident permit with a duration of over 6 months can apply for a work permit inside of Canada. Other people who can apply for a work permit in Canada are those individuals who currently have a refugee claim pending inside of Canada. And in a more broad set of candidates, people who are under a removal order that is not enforceable can apply for a work permit in Canada. Another very specific category of people who can apply for a work permit in Canada are those individuals who have been determined a member of the common law partner or spousal category inside of Canada. Another narrow exception are individuals who have been determined to be a protected person, which is often associated with people who are successful refugee claimants. There's a very narrow set of individuals who can apply for a work permit inside of Canada. Effectively, those sets of individuals who had applied for a work permit that was granted and determined to be successful by an officer outside of Canada and received an approval of the work permit. Another narrow category of candidates who can apply for a work permit are those individuals who had received approval of a work permit application in writing before entering Canada, but were not issued the work permit. If you have questions about how to get a work permit in Canada, please feel free to contact Chaudhary Law Office. Thank you.